oxidation reduction, that is redox reaction. Book second, oxidation number, number that indicates the nature and sharing of electron in a molecule called oxidation number or oxidation state. It may have any value. Difference between oxidation number and valency is valency may be either positive or negative but in whole number, while oxidation number may have any value. Oxidation state or oxidation number, it may have any value, negative or positive or fraction or zero. It may have any value, while valency is always positive or negative whole number. So there are some rules on the basis of which we determine the oxidation state of the particular atom in a given molecule. Now let us consider the rules step by step. First, oxidation state of atom or molecule in three states is zero. Second, oxidation state of first A element, that is lithium, sodium, potassium, is +1, while +2 for second A element. Third, oxidation state of hydrogen is +1, while -1 in hydride. Oxidation state of oxygen is -2 while -1 in peroxide. Oxidation state of iron is equal to its charge, that is carbonate have -2 charge. Oxidation state -2. For cyanide -1. For nitrate -1. For sulfate -2. For aluminum +3 and so on. Number 6, oxidation state of fluorine is always -1. Fluorine, bromine, iodine है oxidation state -1, but these show variable oxidation state. Seventh, sum of oxidation state or number of component present in given molecule or ion is equal to the charge present at it. On the basis of these rules, we will calculate oxidation state of required element in a given molecule. Question. Calculate the oxidation number of carbon in given molecule or ion. CO3 -2, CO2, C6H12O6 glucose, RCO3. Let oxidation number of carbon be X. X plus 3 times oxidation state of oxygen is -2 is equal to charge present -2. X minus 6 is equal to -2. On transferring, X is equal to -2 plus 6, that is 4. Second, X plus 2 times -2 is equal to charge present, no charge at CO2, hence equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0, or X is equal to 4. Third, for glucose, here there are 6 glucose. 6 times X plus 12 times oxidation state of hydrogen is 1 plus 6 times oxidation state of oxygen is -2 is equal to charge present at the spaces. Here there is no charge, hence equal to 0. 6X plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. 12 cancel. 6X is equal to 0 implies that X is equal to 0 by 6 is equal to 0. Next example. Calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen in given species. Nitric acid, nitronium ion, nitrate. Answer first. Let oxidation state or number of nitrogen be X. Here there is one hydrogen, one times oxidation state of hydrogen is 1 plus oxidation state of nitrogen is X. It is consumed, it is considered here. X plus 3 times oxidation state of oxygen -2 is equal to charge present at it 0. 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. Here there is single nitrogen, so X plus 2 times oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2 is equal to charge present at it. Here nitrogen contains 1 plus, so we will write here 1. So x minus 4 is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. For third, x plus 3 times minus 2 is equal to charge present at it. It will have minus 1 charge equal to minus. So x minus 6 is equal to minus 1, implies that x is equal to minus 1 plus 6, that is 5. Next question. Calculate the oxidation number of sketch element in given compound KMnO4 K4 FiCl6 Kg NH3 twice Cl. Answer postulate oxidation number of ion Bx. Here there is single K, so 1, oxidation number of K is 1, plus oxidation state of Mn is X, considered here, so X plus 4 times oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2 is equal to charge present at it. So here there is no charge, 0. So 1 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0, or X is equal to 8 minus 1, 7. Second, let oxidation state of Fi be X. 4 times oxidation state of potassium is 1 plus X plus 6 times oxidation state of cyanide is minus 1 is equal to the charge present at it. Here there is no charge, 0. 4 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0, or X is equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. For third, let oxidation state of Ag be x plus 2 times. Here there are two ammonia, 2 times. Ammonia is molecule, hence oxidation state of molecule is 0. So 2 times 0 plus 1 for chlorine. So 1 chloride present here, so 1 times oxidation state of chloride is -1 is equal to charge present at it. Here there is no charge, 0. So x plus 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies that x is equal to